Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you, friends? Hope you're all doing great. It's chilling and freezing morning here, and from last 3 4 days it's been raining here, and I'm really enjoying this weather while being at home. So so hello to those friends who are just going to offices and their businesses, etc. So I think you should take vacations and spend some time at home. Anyway, what we are going to talk today is that is one word which we call it as no. Now, the word no is a word which most of the time we don't want to hear. We don't want to listen this word. If you are applying for a job, if you're applying for a business or a license, or if you want to go for some relationship, or anyway, whenever you are applying for promotion, for your increments, so whenever you are going for something and you get this response no, so we got disheartened, stress, tension, anxiety, depression, all these things are associated with this word. So we don't want to hear this word. So today I want to talk about this word. So you just hear it, and I think after listening this you will love to hear this word no. So I hope so. So what no is, first of all understand, and that what do we mean by the word no. So take it from a different perspective. No means next opportunity. No, no means next opportunity. So from now onward, whenever you face, or whenever you see, whenever you hear, whenever you get a response of this word no, so take it as a next opportunity. Okay, if it's no, no problem, I'll go for the next. No means this is not meant for me, and I'll go for the next one, for the next one, for the next one, and keep on trying, keep on going, right? And I know you may be getting you may get stressed, or you may feel some tension and anxiety. You may get disheartened that I've always been rejected and I don't get a job, or I'm not getting a job, or I'm not getting good grades, so I'm not getting what I want simply. So what you can do in this case is that think from this perspective. No, number of time it happens in your life, and I'm sure it would happen in your life, that whenever you have faced no, and after 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, or whatever, later on you realize that thank God I was not there and I faced no at that time. If I was there, now this thing would have been done with me, right? So it's kind of a blessing. What I feel that no is basically is from Almighty Allah, that Allah Almighty say no, this is not place for you, this is not the right place, just move to the next one, move to the next one. Sometimes it happens to get a one yes, there are 10 no's that you have to cross. So first no, second, third, keep on trying, and finally you get that yes. So that yes means that point is meant for you. But what happens if you stop at fifth and sixth time no, or seventh no, and all your effort will be gone, right? That will be useless activity. Jack Ma, you may know him. He is the CEO and the founder of Alibaba.com. Alibaba is one of the largest website for e-transactions, for buying and selling, and it is the biggest in China, right? He said that whenever I was in my struggling age, I applied for number of jobs, and I'm always rejected. He said I applied even for KFC. He said 25 people applied and 24 got selected, and I was the only one who was rejected, right? And he said then I applied for the police department and for A and B and C and so many things, and I'm always been rejected. And the interesting thing is that he said most of the time everybody except me or beside me was accepted and appointed, and I was the only one rejected. So I felt, why it's happening to me? Now what I feel now, that from Allah Almighty, it was a kind of a blessing for him, that you are not meant for these low rank jobs, and this you have the entrepreneurial skills, you have the ability of innovate, and you have the ability to do something big. Now imagine if he had been selected in KFC or any of the job, how much he would have been earning now. 17 years back he established a company of Alibaba.com in 1999. almost 17 years earlier, 18 years. His worth is now $22 billion. He has written so many books. He has spoken to number of the forums, and he has talked to millions of the people. And now he is the source of inspirations for the hundreds and thousands of people. He has given jobs to thousands of the people. Now look at his contribution. Now, if he had thought at that time, I'm always been rejected, I should not do anything, and this and that, and he would have been nowhere now, right? Another example, Jack Canfield. He has written a book, Chicken Soup for the Soul, right? Now if you don't know Jack Canfield, just go on Google or the YouTube and just type Jack Canfield, J-A-C-K and C-A-N-F-I-L-D, Canfield. He has written a book, Chicken Soup for the Soul, with the co-author of his co-author was Mark Victor Hansen. He said that when we wrote this book and when we took this manuscript to the publisher, we were rejected by 140 publishers. Now imagine if I and you were instead of him, we have taken to some publisher and he said no, we cannot publish it. Okay, we would have gone to the second one and third one, and that's, oh, this is just rubbish. But he did not stop. He said we went for the one to the second and third, and we kept on trying, and we had then finally we got published. And you know how much copies have been sold? Millions of copies have been sold. Series of books with the title of Chicken Soup for the Soul, of the teenager soul, and for the pet, and TV shows are coming on it. Now Chicken Soup for the Soul is a company itself, and it was the best selling New York Times selling book for 7 years. It's a Guinness Book of World Record, right? So this what you need to understand, that what the message is, कि जब भी आपको ये लफ्ज़ नो सुनना पड़े तो परेशान ना हो, टेंशन ना लें, आप इस पे खुश हो जाएं कि ये चीज़ मेरे लिए नहीं थी, this was not meant for me, I have something better than that, right? So go for the next, go for the next, go for the next. So no tension, no stress, no anxiety, आपने परेशान नहीं होना. The word no को याद रखें definition. No means next opportunity. Next opportunity. Go for the next, go for the next. Don't try to lose your enthusiasm. अल्लाह से दुआ मांगे, अल्लाह पे यकीन रखें, और इंशाल्लाह जब वो yes जब आपको मिलेगी तो फिर आप इस no पे नहीं पछताएंगे. So this is today's message. If you agree with me or if you disagree with me, please write in the comment and share your experiences with me. Thank you very much.